Esther here from MarineMax in Crosslake, Minnesota with a 2021 Bennington SX21. This Tritoon is equipped with the Yamaha 150 4-stroke outboard, and it only has 175 engine hours on it, which is really low. It's got plenty of power on board to wakeboard, water ski, or tube with this large ski tow bar here on the back. You'll notice this large stainless steel rod here. This is actually a flagpole mount. So if you want to hang Old Glory tall and proud out on the water next summer, you can just hook it on here with these two screws. These will go in the little loops on the flag, and you've got a really sturdy flagpole right there. This has stainless steel cleats, seagrass flooring, super easy to clean and maintain. And here in the back we have a filler couch. This can also be moved up to the bow. So whether you want more room in the back, more room in the front for people to sit, or to take it out entirely to have more leg room on board, it's a versatile seat that you can move around. The vinyl is like a canvas material, which is easy to clean, easy to keep clean, and it is in immaculate condition. We have the Kicker speakers here inside with the Kicker Bluetooth stereo. You can plug your phone in if you don't want to go Bluetooth, and then you can also have a 12-volt port either to plug in your air compressor for tubes and inflatables, or to plug your phone in and keep yourself charged out on the lake all day long. This has capacity for up to 12 people. So bring all your friends and family on board. Nobody has to get left behind, and you'll stay shaded all day long under this power-operated bimini. We've got a super clean canvas and boot here at the top, and up in the front we also have a cockpit table. This can be stowed away, otherwise you can use it for a snack tray. There's 4 integrated cup holders here, and all of the seats have hinged cushions so that you can get into the roto-molded seat bins. These are self-bailing, so if you get some rain or some water in there, all the water will run off towards the outside of the boat, not the inside, keeping your floor wet, and it'll drain out the side of the boat so that your stuff stays nice and not musty. There is a storage locker here in the middle as well. You've got your port side gate, your bow gate, and then a transom gate behind that filler cushion there. This boat is available now at MarineMax in Crosslake, Minnesota. There's still time to get you out on the water with your family for a demo ride. Otherwise, visit our MarineMax.com website for more boats for sale. We'll see you out on the water.